Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and I welcome you on my YouTube channel German Gyan. If you are new on my channel, then this channel is all about German language, German queries, Germany jobs, German studies, German language course, and so much about German. So please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification that yes, German Gyan new video is live. By the way, on every Tuesday, I come live for you to solve your queries, and on Saturday, your demanding video will always be coming forever and ever. So yes, today I am here. First of all, I was about to come live around 3, but I just get a call from my internet service member that there will be cut of the net due to some technical issue or during some wire. I don't know what actually is happening. So due to that, I am creating this video with all your questions. I hope you will excuse me for this. So I have written all your questions with me. I'm having with me. So I will be answering it. And guys, don't worry. Whatsoever questions you have prepared for the live session, you can please comment down below and I will be answering you. By the way, are you all set for Diwali? So Glücklich Diwali. So let's start with the question round. And guys, please subscribe, and if you have any video demand that we want video on the particular topic or this and that, please do comment down below with the hashtag new video German Gyan or German Gyan new video, anything. So yeah, let's start the video. So the first question is, I'm a beginner and I'm suffering with learning German. So guys, whenever anyone is starting with a new step, that okay, I want to learn German, so that person is not aware of anything. So in that case, suppose I am learning German and I am not aware of anything, that what exactly I have to do, where I have to enroll, what exactly I have to do. So for that, I am here to answer and solve your queries. So see, if you are having and facing problem that how exactly where I have to enroll and everything, so guys, German Gyan is there. Enroll here for any level, even A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, with a very affordable cost. There is nothing like the price is so high and the so low. Easily any person, any middle class person, any person who actually wants to learn German, German Gyan is for you. You can easily enroll it and you can rock in German. So we are having different packages plus Diwali is coming. So yes, Diwali offers are live from 10th. So stay tuned. Today is 10th only. So from today I will be updating you all that what offers are going on with German Gyan. So yes, of course, Diwali is there, so big discount has to become. So yes, do enroll for German Gyan, and after enrolling, if you are looking for the job purpose, then you must go till B1 level. B1 level is a third level, A1, A2 and B1. If you take the combined package of this, then of course you will be saving around, I must say around 8 to 10,000 rupees. So that is a huge amount, especially in the lockdown. So yes, you can save your money and you can just enroll. And once you are done with B1 level, German Gyan will prepare you, and this is included in the fees. There is no external fees. So once you pay, then you will be there with German Gyan from 6 months course, A1 to B1. And with German Gyan, the best thing is that there is no compulsion that if you are not able to cop up, if you are not able to do, it's like you need more time for revision, and you need, because people don't get satisfied very early, and B1 is a not easy level. So yes, if you want to do that, then of course you can do it. German Gyan will be there for you till you are not satisfied. So yes, go forward and you can easily do it. Fine. So 6 months course, minimum 6 months. 5 months, if 5-month course is also there. If you are in a hurry, then regular classes. Otherwise 3 days in a week, 1 hour classes. All 7 days German Gyan is open, by the way, and from 6 AM to 12 midnight Indian time I'm talking about. And worldwide people are learning from German Gyan. That's really amazing. So guys, of course you can enroll for German Gyan, and once you are done with B1 level, we will be preparing you for exam, and then I will be making sure that of course you get very amazing and good marks in B1 level from Goethe. Goethe is a German embassy. If you don't know, then I will be putting a link in description in which I have told the whole story behind what is Goethe, how you have to do it and everything. Next, after you get the certificate from Goethe, German embassy, then German GAN will be preparing you for interview, and that is also included in the fees. There is no external fees. We will be preparing you. We will be telling you that, okay, this is opening here, please go. We will be sending you and everything is with me. You just have to need a confidence and yes, you can do it. Fine. If you are looking forward to do so much hard work, self-study and everything, then yes, German GAN is for you. Don't worry for the money. If you have the passion, then of course you can do it. Let's go to the second question. Second question is lit legacy. This is a huge big question. So let's start. Okay, I am writing my final year's distance mode of BA in English literature this Feb 21. Okay, all the best. Alles Gute. I have completed B1 in German. My interest falls in learning new languages. That's really nice of you. I quit engineering as well. My dream is to go to Europe. As of now, targeting Germany. That is absolutely amazing decision. Okay, now please guide me. What career can I make out of this? Whom should I approach to get job in Germany? All the agencies are very costly. The job I am interested in teaching pre-primary schools in Germany, teaching English in Germany. Okay, that's really nice question. So first of all, I have told you, I think so in my last live, I don't remember, that something huge is coming on this Diwali for you all. So stay tuned because I'm super happy and excited that okay, yay, something new is coming. So yes, stay tuned. Okay, so if I talk about then first of all, don't contact any agency for getting jobs in Germany because we are having so many free things available in India also, and sitting in India you can easily approach in Germany. So don't worry, don't pay a single penny because that will be of course costly for you, and there is no assurance that okay they will be giving you, no, there is no 100% from any agency. So don't do that first of all, and this advice is to everyone, please don't do this because this will harm you. So for Germany teaching, of course you can teach in German, but for Germany teaching, for the interview clearance and everything, you must know German till B2 level at least. So do the one more level, B2 level, and go forward in German language. I will be linking the link that how you can do how you can search job in Germany sitting in India. So you can follow that video, and I have put it so many things in that. Just go on that website and just go on that sites, know the process, and you will be getting job in Germany and you will be good to go. This is a huge demand in Germany that teachers are looking forward to teach in English. They are looking forward for the teachers who want to teach English but they know German. So yes, all the very best. And if you still get confused, then you can message me and WhatsApp me, DM me, anything. And therefore you don't worry. Next question. Okay, this is a very demanding question. Can fresher get a job seeker visa in Germany? Guys, job seeker visa is something visa for getting jobs in Germany, and that is for limited time. And if you are having the permanent job, then it will get automatically renewed. Otherwise, you have to come back to India. But if you are asking this, then if you are so much lucky, then yes, you can get as a fresher in Germany jobs. But if you are not a lucky person and if you are a normal person and looking forward that okay I want to do, then minimum 3 years experience, minimum 5 years experience, depending on your field, you have to you must have to do that, and then easily you can go forward. And do remember, part-time job is not considered in this visa. If you are having permanent job, then only your job seeker visa will be renewed, otherwise no. So make your mindset and then go. Next question is, how successful are people usually on the 6 months job seeker visa? If I talk about from 10%, then from 10% it will be approximately 7% people get their jobs, their dream jobs in Germany. So don't worry. If you are having a good CV, you know that how German people like the CV. By the way, CV I will be putting in down in description box, that how you have to make German CVs and Indian CVs if you are looking forward for that. If you have prepared everything in detail, if you have prepared, you have knowledge of everything what you have mentioned in CV, because they are very strict. If you know the good German, because German is must for jobs there, so you are best to go and you will get the job. So don't panic and don't worry. You will get, if you can dream it, then of course you can complete it. So yes, stay motivated and do it, man. Don't worry. Okay, so the next question is, if I live in Germany, can I study with German Gyan? Oh my god, this question is very much asked to me. Yes, let me tell you. Yes, of course you can teach me, because German Gyan teaches online worldwide and offline in Delhi only. But right now due to COVID, we are closed in Delhi. But yes, online classes are still on. So if you want to learn German, sitting any place in world, you can study from German Gyan. And we are having so many options. You can study from Zoom, you can study from Skype, you can study from Google Meet, wherever you feel comfortable and according to your best time. Don't worry that we are having 4.5 hour difference if we are living in Germany and India. No worry, we are open from 6 a.m. to 12 midnight and I am there for you. I will make sure that you will be getting best studies in the very less amount, because in Germany prices are very high and in India comparison it's very less. So yes, if you are living in India, Germany, Mauritius, Greece, anywhere, any part of the world, German Gyan is there to teach you German language. Good to go. All the very best. Next, ma'am, I have done A1 in Germany and will continue our German language course from, if I took the course from Germany, then it will be costly. What should I do? See, if I compare the Germany course and Indian course, as I have said you in the last question also, Germany is triple costly from India money, because their courses are very high. So if not triple, then it will be double, but it will be very much high. So it's a best option. Go there if you want to study. Do online German Gyan course and you will be saving a lot of money plus a lot of time. So yes, you should do it. Okay. Are German companies successful in India? Absolutely yes, 101%. There are so many German companies working in India, open in India, and in India, I must say that there is a huge demand of German, because on each and every day I am giving my students CVs to the companies, and touch wood, they are getting selected and they are having a very good salary. They are having a great package. So I'm damn happy and I'm super excited, and I feel that I will be very much blessed and pleased that I will be helping you all if I could. So I always try the best that yes, I want to help you. So yes. Okay, so the last question is, which German books are the best? Oh my god, this question is really demanding. So guys, let me tell you, if you are doing the course, then yes, Netzwerk book are the best book. Netzwerk A1, A2, B1 are the best book. If you are preparing for the exam, then there is another book for exams. So yes, I will be putting the link if you want to buy of all the books in the description box. So you can absolutely go and buy from that link, and thumbs up to it. So guys, that's it for today's video. I know that you will be waiting for me at 3 p.m. and so I will be putting this video at 3 p.m. today, and whatsoever question you want to ask me, please comment me down below. And guys, Glückliche Diwali, stay blessed. Don't fire the crackers, please. It's a huge pollution already in Delhi and in India, so please stay blessed and see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy. Bye bye.